Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. This is Archana. Today we are going to learn how to make stuffed bread. This bread is really soft inside and very good snack for traveling, picnic as well as for parties also. And you can make this bread beforehand. So let's start. For making this bread we need these ingredients. First we will make the dough. For dough we need plain flour, wheat flour, water, yeast, sugar, olive oil, salt and Italian seasoning. First take half cup of lukewarm water. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of yeast. Mix nicely and keep aside for 10 minutes for fermentation. Then take the both flours and sieve the flour. Add the salt, Italian seasoning, sugar and oil. At the end, add the yeast mixture. Mix very well. Then add the remaining water. This dough is enough for the 16 bread. Knead nicely, make a soft dough. When dough is ready, apply 1 teaspoon of oil on the top of dough, spread evenly and cover the dough with the plastic wrap and leave the dough for 45 minutes in warm place for fermentation. While dough is getting fermented, we will make the sauce. For making the sauce, we need these ingredients: olive oil, tomato paste, Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper and water. First we will heat up the saucepan, pour the oil. When oil is slightly warm, add the Italian seasoning. If oil is very hot, Italian seasoning will get burned. So make sure your oil should be warm only. Keep the heat in the low. Add the tomato paste. Roast the tomato paste for 2 minutes. Then pour the water. Cook for 5 minutes in low heat. Mix very well. Add the black pepper, sugar and salt. Let it cook for 5 minutes in low heat. Meanwhile, keep stirring. Now sauce is also ready. Let's make the filling. For filling we need these ingredients: potatoes, carrots, peas, corn, jalapeno, olive oil, salt, black pepper, sugar, mozzarella and cheddar cheese. First heat the oil in the pan. Add potato, carrot, corn, peas, first add the salt. Salt creates the moisture, so with help of the salt, always vegetables cook very fast. Add the sugar, black pepper. Mix nicely, otherwise it will get burned. And add the jalapeno. Let it cook for 5 more minutes, but keep stirring. The best thing is to check the vegetables are cooked or not. Take the one potato piece in your spatula, press it down. Now you can see when I am pressing the potato, it is smashed. So that means your vegetables are cooked. transfer into the bowl. Before making the stuffed bread, make sure your vegetable stuffing and sauce will be in the room temperature. First, grease the baking tray. Now it is time to make the stuffed bread. After 45 minutes, dough is nicely fermented. Add some dry flour in the dough. Knead the dough nicely with little dry flour. Divide into the 4 parts. Take one part and cut into the 4 balls. Take one ball, roll down 3 inches of diameter. Pour 2 teaspoons of sauce in the center. Then approximately 1 teaspoon of mozzarella cheese and 1 teaspoon of cheddar cheese in the center. Then 1 tablespoon of filling. Now close nicely. After closing the bread, press the bread gently into the strainer. It will create nice design on the bread, which looks very nice after baking. Make all the stuffed bread like this and transfer into the baking tray. Then again keep the bread in warm place for 45 minutes for fermentation. After 45 minutes, breads are nicely fermented. Now it is time to bake the bread. We are baking the bread for the 18 minutes, but keep checking your bread meanwhile. Every oven is different, so sometimes it can take little longer time or sometime little less time. When we take out the bread from the oven, the same time we have to apply some olive oil on the top of bread. It will help bread to be very soft. Now breads are ready. Serve hot. If you like the video, don't forget to share it. Enjoy.